All right, it's been a while since I posted a video of a equipment job. I got to go ahead on one I got a few months ago, so I'm starting it today. It's not too bad at all. I gotta go out to that persimmon tree out there, 180 foot from the road. Here's the road up here. And I gotta clear the entranceway and cut it in. I'm gonna throw all the wood to the side, and all the dirt I dig out, I'm gonna throw it to the side and smooth it out. It's gonna be a good bit. And I'm gonna take the dozer blade on the excavator and just doze a path all the way out to that 180 mark. And then I'm gonna blade out a rectangle shape for a mobile home to go, modular, whatever it is customer's getting. And that'll be it. Then a few days from now, I'm gonna come back and grade out 4 loads of rock to come up the entrance and come up the driveway a ways. So I will be back after today. All right, y'all, looks a little different now. So it's 25 foot wide. I'm gonna cut back another 5 foot at least and get me a little bit more clearance on this side. Take that little pine out and that little sparkleberry there. Cut the ground down there. Move that dirt. And I'm just pushing it on out up through here. All this ground out here is soft. This whole area, like this field here, is just nothing but this sand. So I really wish the customer would have agreed to getting some larger stone, like 34 stone to put down, and then get some crush and run, but they wanted to go the cheapest route for rock. So I'm getting some crush and run, 4 loads of it. Gotta bring it in here, grade it out. And yeah, that'll be it. All right, that's a wrap. Got a 30 foot wide entrance cut in. I graded it all up into here, and then up in there I graded out a house site for their modular mobile home, whatever they're getting. So 4 loads of rocks coming in here next week. Monday I'll be grading it out for them. So job well done, to be continued.